In this video, I will show you how you can change the mouse pointer on the iPad Air. Now before we do that, just connect any mouse with your iPad. You can either connect a wired mouse or a Bluetooth mouse as I have over here. Now after you connect a mouse with your iPad, then just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Now, there are two ways to change the mouse pointer. The first method is if you want to change the mouse pointer from a circle to an arrow. For that, under Accessibility, just scroll down. Then tap on Touch. Now just tap on Assistive Touch. Now if Assistive Touch is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. And as you turn off Assistive Touch, the mouse pointer will shift from a circle to an arrow, just like that. But if you want to change the size or the color of the mouse pointer, then just go back to the Accessibility settings, and from here just scroll down even more. Now under Accessibility, you will find the option for Pointer Control. Just tap on Pointer Control, and over here you can customize the mouse pointer on your iPad. Under Pointer Size, you can increase or decrease the mouse pointer size to whatever you like, just like that. And you also have the option for Increase Contrast to increase the contrast of the mouse pointer. You have the option for automatically hide pointer when it is not in use. You can also tap on Color and you can change the color of the mouse pointer, but keep in mind that it will only give it a border and it will not change the color of the mouse pointer itself. After that, if you go back, you have the option for pointer animations, and from here you can enable or disable the pointer animations. Then finally, you have the option for scrolling speed. Now you can either increase or decrease the scrolling speed to whatever you like. As you can see, there is the default settings, but you can increase it to whatever you like, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.